Good morning, students. Welcome to sixth class General Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about finding the directions with Bohr magnet. Okay, that is, use the magnets to find out the directions. Okay, first we take a Bohr magnet. This Bohr magnet is tied with a thread at the center of Bohr magnet, and this Bohr magnet is freely suspended from a retard stand. Okay, what we observe when the Bohr magnet is suspended freely from a retard stand? Initially, we observe that this Bohr magnet is make it rotation. After a certain time interval, it will comes to stationary, and that is the rest position. The rest position of Bohr magnets is indicate two directions. One end of Bohr magnets towards the geographical north direction. Next, the second, that is other end of Bohr magnet is indicate towards the geographical south direction. Okay, this suspended Bohr magnets, this activity, it will continue to 2 or 3 times are repeated. At any time, the Bohr magnet is always towards geographical north direction and geographical south directions. This Bohr magnet is suspended anywhere, that is the any place. It's always, it's indicate the geographical north direction and geographical south direction. Okay, students, let's look at finding directions. Okay, finding directions. Finding directions with a Bohr magnet. With a Bohr magnet. With a Bohr magnet. Okay? Finding directions with a Bohr magnet. Okay, now we take Bohr magnet. Okay, students, this is Bohr magnet. This Bohr magnet is tied up with a thread at the center of Bohr magnet. Okay, students, this is the center of Bohr magnet. Here, this thread is tied around the center of a Bohr magnet. After this Bohr magnet is freely suspended, it is freely suspended from a retard stand. Okay, students, this is a retard stand. This is a Bohr magnet. Okay, this Bohr magnet is freely suspended from a retard stand. Initially, we observe that this Bohr magnet is makes rotation. Okay, rotation. After a certain time interval, it will come to stationary. Stationary means it will come to rest. The rest position of bar magnets is indicate directions. That is, one end of bar magnets, it indicates that the north geographical north direction, and the other end is indicate the geographical south direction. Okay, students, here N for the geographical north direction, S for the geographical south direction. And that is, this bar magnet is always indicate towards one end is geographical north direction and another end is geographical south direction. So this is the north pole of a magnet, this is the south pole of a magnet, and that is that each magnet, it has two poles. First one pole is a north pole and another one pole is a south pole. Okay, this is called directional property of magnets. This is called directional property of magnets. Directional property of magnets. Okay, students, this bar magnet indicate directions. This is called directional property of magnets. This directional property, it can exhibit by only magnets. Okay, based on this directional property of magnets, we construct, that is how we make a magnetic compass. Magnetic compass. Okay, students, based on the directional property of magnets, we construct a magnetic compass. In this magnetic compass, it's made up of a glass. It is a small box. In this a small box is present of a magnetized needle. This needle is pivoted at the center of a magnetic compass, and a dial is present in a magnetic compass and mark the directions. That is, the south, north, east, west directions are marked on the dials. Okay, this magnetic compass, it is help to us knowing about the directions. That is north, south, east, and west. Okay, students, what are the uses of magnetic compass? Okay, this magnetic compass is used for in ships. Okay, first one is this magnetic compass is used in ships. Next one is it is used in airplanes. Next one is mountaineers. And next one is army peoples. Okay, students, this magnetic compass is used for to find out directions. Next one, this magnetic compass is used in ships and airplanes. The mountaineers and army peoples, they carry magnetic compass. Why? Because of find out the direction, north, south, east, and west directions.